Are you looking for Shona words that begin with NW? NW in Shona sounds like Nuwa. We found 12 words. Do you know any others? The 12 words that we found are Nwa, meaning to drink. Nwada nwada, tiptoeing. Nwadaira, a kind of shuffling, dragging walk. Nwaira, taking big gulps of a liquid so that you swallow it very quickly. Nweta, cutting grass using a sickle. Nwizana, having a drink in the company of other people. Nui, to be absolutely quiet. Another word for it is Mwiro. Nwira. Kunwira is when an elder child remains breastfeeding even after their mother becomes pregnant. Nwisa. This has 3 meanings. Kunwisa, meaning to have drunk too much alcohol, resulting in one becoming inebriated. Or Kunwisa, when someone buys you an alcoholic drink. Or Kunwisa, when you score a goal in football. Nwisamvura, when something is admirable. Nwisidzana, this is when people get along so well that they very often buy each other drinks and drink together. Nuiwa, watermelon. Subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel today and learn more Shona language words with us.